Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Sourav classes. Today we are discussing about some multiple choice based question of geography entrance examination. Now let's move to the questions. The prevailing winds blowing from 30 degrees south and 30 degrees north towards the equator are termed as option A monsoon winds, option B anti-trade winds, option C trade winds, and option D polar winds. So in this question the answer is the trade winds. Trade winds blow in northeasterly direction. So the answer is trade winds, and if I write it, the trade winds, I mentioned it in TW, is blow in the northeast direction in northern hemisphere and entirely to the northern hemisphere, and in southeasterly direction in southern hemisphere, and also trade winds in southeasterly in the southern hemisphere. They are permanent winds. So trade winds is a permanent winds. So in this question the answer is trade winds. Now let's go for the next question. The question is, which one of the following factors accounts largely for the dispersal of cotton textiles industry from its original location around Mumbai? The statements are statement 1, the development of transportation, especially railways. Option B, the extreme congestion in Mumbai and lack of space. Option C, the development of hydroelectric power, and option D, improved technology. Basically the reason is the extreme congestion and lack of space initially triggered dispersal of cotton textile mills from Mumbai. It is also promoted by the development of transportation including railways. So the main answer is the B, the extreme congestion in Mumbai and lack of space, but which is promoted by the option A. They have a trick in this question. It is promoted by the option A. So in this question the answer is option B. Now let's go for the another question. Now the question is, which of the following industrial regions of USA, United States of America, is located mainly on the basis of hydroelectric power? Option A is the New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore region. Option B, the Southern New England region. Option C, the Southern Lake Michigan region, and D, the Detroit region. The option is these three cities are parts of the mid-Atlantic states. First thing, the availability of coal and iron and later supplemented by oil and hydroelectric power from the fall line are responsible for the growth of these industrial areas. These constitute the most densely populated part of the USA and also one of the most heavily industrial belts. So in this question the answer is A. And this is A. So the New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore region, which is first, these three cities are the mid-Atlantic cities. I can repeat another time. Those cities are mid-Atlantic cities, where the availability of coal and iron and later which is supplemented by oil and hydroelectric power from the fall line are responsible for the growth of these industrial areas. Hope this video will helpful for your preparation. Thanks for watching us.